Oh, let's go. Let's go. Good morning, Young Groms. Another day. We've been up since like 5 a.m. Yeah, right now we are on the daily vlog grind. We are vlogging every day, editing every day. It's just so tiring, like getting all these edits out, but we're stoked. This is the job that I love. I love like working hard at something, and I can't just like go surfing. I want to make it, you know, I want to make something happen with my surfing career. I want to travel to cool places. I want to like meet new people, and I want to be stoked on life, and that's what I've been able to do through this vlog, so thank you guys so much. One person I want to thank in particular is host Stevie. Mr. Stevie is a legend. He's from the Midwest. He kind of like this self-made surfer who like started his own like, you know, surfing corporation or whatever, but he hooked me up with a 4.3 when I was super broke. Yeah, like he's just helped me keep going because he gave me this awesome 4.3 that I have here. And it's a great suit. Like the first time I ever used it was 2023, this March, and I paddled out. Like no one wears a 4.3 in March in New York, and no one wears a 4.3 on Christmas Eve. Great option to have in the fall here when you don't want to wear a heavy suit, or when you know the waves are gonna be small in the winter, and like you saw, my 5.4 is like sopping wet. So the last thing you wanna do is like put on a freezing wetsuit that like sat in your driveway all night. Oh, there's little runners. Oh, little dreamy waves. Look at that. Look at that. There's fully waves. Yeah. Probably could have mini simmoned. Yeah, probably could have mini simmoned, but look at this thing. Look at this beautiful left. Oh, we are so out there. All right, I gotta get back to the car, get the wetty on. We are so out there. Let's go. Let's go. There's fully waves. Let's go. Oh, I'm so pumped. Thank God. I thought it was gonna be flat. You guys know, but it is so much easier getting into a 4.3 that's dry than a wet 5.4. So even if you're not gonna get like a host Stevie, it's just kind of nice to have a 4.3 even on Christmas Eve, because when the waves are small, I feel like you don't need as much wetsuit. So yeah, it's pretty clutch. Have a nice dry suit. You can see like this right here. A little bit of traction on the inside, and then boom, it's not going anywhere. In the wetsuit, there's clean, perfect waves. I've got the 8-foot soft top, got the GoPro, and yeah, let's do it. Let's go. Some of these waves are so good. This guy's on the foil. Some of these waves are so good, and just no one's on it. No one wants it. And like, I get it. I'm so surfed out too, but it's just so good.
Surfers, don't you fear, 'cause Santa's here. Oh, Santa, you know what I want for Christmas. Oh, well, now, Santa, well, you know what I want this year. Oh, will you please be nice to me and bring a surfboard 9 for 3? Oh, Christmas is near, it only comes once a year. Oh, well, I lost my boat one day last summer. Oh, it had 10 dings in the sides and the rails. The skeg was busted off Santa, some baggies and a customized woody. Well, now, Santa, just listen what I gotta say.
Dude, go right. I'll follow Cam. Go right, go right. Go, go, go. Yoo-hoo. Yoo-hoo.
Oh, I'll give up the honeys and the parties too, and I'll be a loyal fan of Rudolph and you. I'd ask for no more, so Santa, now don't you fear. sides and the rails.
The Host Stevie wetsuit definitely worked out. I surfed for like an hour and a half, got a ton of waves. It wasn't big, but if you can see, like, it's cold. There's like steam coming out of the wetsuit right now. The only thing that got a little cold was like the crotch region, but that's because I was like sitting on like a longboard with my legs spread. But otherwise, like, I'm feeling good. Like, yeah, the water's probably in like the 40s, and yeah, it's not warm. Everyone's tired. Like, it's hard putting on a wetsuit. Like, the process of drying the wetsuit and just like trying to like maintain the wetsuit, I guess, is a lot. But like, yeah, I don't know. Like, just no one wants it, and it's crazy because a day like this, not even in the summer, but like if it's like the first day of a forecasted swell that was like, you know, waist high, stomach high, like we just surfed, there'd be like 40 guys out of that spot. But it was just me and this other dude who ended up being like an ER nurse, Chris, who's a super cool dude, and just like super fun surfing with him. We like got some shots together and stuff. But yeah, like I'm so pumped. It's Christmas Eve. It's like a weekend holiday, and there's no one out. Everyone's just tired. Like, I can't comprehend it. Like, the New York surf community like is just tired of surfing. But yeah, you can absolutely surf, and like these are the days I live for, is like if you work hard, like keep putting on that wetsuit, keep getting out there, you can score super fun waves alone.
I'm gonna say,
Do you know what's on top?
Pickles?
Salsa.
Salsa.
That's good stuff, right? It's healthy for you.
Oh, good.
Yeah. But maybe not what you want
I'm
to
not
eat.
crazy about this because Ron wanted it every day of his life.
You love broccoli?
Broccoli, yeah. He knew,
that's good.
He knew that it was healthy.
Yeah, yeah.
So I cooked it every day.
Yeah.
Hamburgers and hell. But I mean, I didn't want to disturb. I didn't want to.
Yeah, yeah.
And Victor felt the same way.
Yeah.
Because he'd say to me at 5 o'clock, Joan, it's martini time.
Victor was a legend, yeah.
Oh, he was.
you're
Yeah.
gonna feel.
I've been next to cars on the ferry to go to Block Island. Or not Block Island, the other.
Yeah,
There'd be a bunch of teenagers. Look at her eyes. And I go, they've only been since I've been home.
Mima, would you like
Yeah,
some
yeah.
And I said,
avocado toast?
no, I had a huge breakfast thanks to your mom.
Are you sure? Okay.
No, but, okay.
Hey, Al, nice pajamas.
Thanks.
Should I smile?
Harley got them for me.
They're cute.
But, of course, the Christmas card, maybe that showed it off too last year.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah,
I
it
gotta
was
put your
good.
stocking up.
Oh, yeah, but I don't want to make a hole in the...
No, we got it.
All right, Megan and I are collecting some sticks. We're just going for a walk right now. And we're stoked. It's Christmas Eve. Say Merry Christmas. Watch your eyes. Nice. That's a lot of sticks, Meg. Nice. All right, let's keep going. Whoa. Oh, sorry. Okay. All right, we're putting the sticks down. We're going for a swing. Whoa, Meg, look at you go. Nice. All right, guys, we're probably walking about like 0.75 miles, maybe a mile, but we're stoked. We got to get back in time for Christmas. We got our sticks. And you ready for dinner or see Christina? We got to see what is going on next. Okay. Oh, just throw them on the ground?